Hey, what's up there, YouTuber? So if you want to see how I got this look, yes, it's a closure. Make sure you stay tuned to this video. There we go. All right, what's up, y'all? So it's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video for you guys. If you follow me on Snapchat or Facebook, you will see that I just constructed this wig. This is straight hair that I just had left over in my closet, and the closure that I wore for my wedding that was actually sewn in. So I decided to make another wig. So now I have a total of 3 wigs that I've constructed for myself, so I can do some switcheroos if I want. And I want to show you guys how I apply this wig and everything that I do to get my parting and stuff right. Oh, also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you thumbs up, and you click the bell that's in the bottom of the screen, like right there underneath my video, to stay in tune when I make new videos. All right, so here we go. Alright guys, so before I begin, this is the closure. It is a silk base 3x4 closure. I will leave the link in the description box. It has a pretty good parting from the top to the back and from side to side. So now I'll show you guys what I do before I place my wig on. So I'm just going to take the wig off. I constructed it using a mesh weaving cap. And this is the hair. This is the, now you see the parting. It does go back really far. And the wefts are bleached, guys. So what I do is I take my wig cap, and I have 2. I have a pantyhose and a wig cap, only because my hair is natural. My hair is washed, so that means it's super thick and my braids are really thick. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a very light colored wig cap. So I'm going to take my makeup that kind of resembles my complexion, and I'm going to pat that on. Now it doesn't have to be, you know, like patted on extreme, but make sure that that really light pale color, unless you're light, that it blends in with your skin tone. And I get my wig cap to stick. I just use a little bit of the Gots to Be glue, and I'll show you guys, just so it doesn't slide up. And I'm not too worried about the sides because it's a closure, it's not a frontal. Now if it was a frontal, I do this all the way around the perimeter, but I'm only going to take a little bit. When I say a little bit, a little poquito, and I'm going to lay this down. And you'll see I'll take my cap, and then I'll just hold it down, and it sticks, guys. It takes less than 30 seconds for it to stick. And I just want to make sure that it's not sliding up and down, because my closure is bleached to perfection. So if it's an odd color, you're going to be able to see that through my closure. So after that is finished, I am going to apply my wig. Like I said, I did not take my time to do my braids, only because my freaking hair is ridiculous. So I'm just going to adjust my parting before I put the wig on. I want a middle part right now, so I'm going to make sure my middle part is nice and straight, as you can see. Before I apply my wig, I'm just going to comb it. And you can listen, this wig is flat. It has 0 traction. I did that. Your girl did that, okay? If you would have saw what I had to complete this wig, anyone can complete a wig. Crazy. And as you can see, that is the frontal, and that is the cap. And the reason why I like this to construct my wigs is because it comes with that elastic, that small elastic band, and I just untie it, and then I tie a knot to get it to adjust the size of my head once I put on my wig. So I'm just going to place that on as so. Boom. And I'm going to fix my part in, because we're not doing a side part right now, Shay. We are doing a middle part. And then I'm just going to adjust it. Sorry, guys. I am getting over a light cold. Listen, that flu, don't even get me started. This is not a good flu season, but hey. All right. Let me stop playing. So I'm just going to take my brush so I can brush and get everything together. Now once that is completed, as you can see, this is the parting. Listen, girls. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm just going to take some of the hair that I'm going to be using as my baby hair, just a little, because in all honesty, I can use actually my baby hair, but I'm just going to take a little, and I don't want to take a lot because, like I said, this is not a frontal. The frontal game is over for me, okay? It just takes too long. I have to sleep with my frontals at night. Then when I wake up, it's pushed back. I just can't, I can't. This closure is small. It's easy to handle and maintain. I don't have to sleep in my hair if I don't want to. This is a game changer, guys. And I've been asleep. I could have been made this wig. But yeah. So I'm just going to cut that a little bit so I can prepare to lay my baby hairs, as you can see. And to lay my baby hairs, you're going to need a toothbrush and styling foam. If you don't want to use styling foam, you can use Eco Styler Gel. If you don't want to use Eco Styler Gel, you can use Gorilla Snot. It is your preference. You can use edge control, whatever you use to take, tame and maintain those baby hairs. That's what you can use, all right? And however you do your baby hairs, that's how you do it. I try to do mine the way that YouTube shows me. It works when it works, and it doesn't when it wants, but you get the gist of it.